What's up, guys? Appreciate y'all tuning in to another episode of Cart Smart TV. And we are going to be working on an EZGO today. Got brought to us saying that it was making some god-awful noises when it was running. And so we're going to jump in and see what we got here, find out what kind of problem we have. So, we have an EZGO ST SPORT 2+2, basically like a hyperactive workhorse. It has had some bells and whistles put on it, and not a bad cart at all. I like that they have the FJ400 in it, which is the Kawasaki overhead valve engine, which is really strong. I really like the way these motors pull, but that's not what we're here today for. 2012 EZGO ST, and the complaint was that it's got some really rough noises when your clutches are in action. So let's see if we can get that thing to make some noise. That's pretty rough. And while we were sitting here trying to get this thing running, I noticed that this belt also, this starter generator belt, these things got some good compression. Right there. It's just about gone. So we're going to be putting a belt on here for them. That clutch, a spacer of some sort. Hang on, guys, let me get my piece of junk snap-on light. Overpriced snap-on light, that is, or whatever that is right there. It's hard for me to really see. That looks like it's, there it is. You can see how it's got to be done come loose, and is what's causing this racket to go on. So we're gonna take a minute and get the belt off of this thing, get our bolt out of this rear clutch right here, slide this thing off and get it out of the cart. And I'm actually probably gonna run it one more time also, so that I can make sure that this clutch is completely closing up and that there's no weird noises before I do anything else. So give me just a minute and we'll get this thing off and see what we see. Alright guys, so we finally got the clutch off of this ST Sport. You can see right there how messed up that bushing is, and it's definitely got some kind of issue inside where the shaft passes through. About right in here, I can see it on this side. It's tore up. It's like mushroomed out. Not sure. Also want to mention too, guys, that these clutches are not like your normal EZGO like TXT style clutch. The rear end does not have the splined input shaft that comes out that your clutch goes on. This one is tapered just like the TXT drive clutch is on the motor. So this one is on the rear end, so this is your driven clutch. You will need the puller to get these off. Where they are tapered, they're held on by pressure, and the only way you're gonna get that off is with that puller. Just a little quick tip for you guys. Not sure what's really caused it, but we do have a new one on this cart. And it has made a big difference. It's back to pulling and running like it's supposed to. And then we also did a tune-up for them. did the filters, air filter, oil, spark plug, whole 9 yards, and it is back to being a normal golf cart again. Alright guys, that's a wrap for the clutch job on a EZGO ST 2+2 is what this particular model is. The Sport 2+2. It's set up kind of like your gas RXVs. It's got the same style motor. Clutches are pretty close to the same. They do use 2 different style clutches depending on what year model they are. You have the Kawasaki clutches, and then you'll have the team clutches. So you got to pay attention to what you have on your cart. That way you know what to order when you need it. And as always, thank you so much for watching our channel, guys. The QR code at the bottom of the screen will take you to our website so you can find these parts you need to fix your cart with. And we also offer everything you could possibly want for a golf cart. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, guys. God bless you all.